Okay, I got the pin back in there and got it lined back up, almost spread my vice grips apart. I've got it started back into the shaft there, and as I squeeze, just barely putting pressure on my vice grips to where they'll lock each time, and it'll press that pin back in there each time. If you'll go just a tad bit tighter, it'll walk that pin right down inside that thing. And it's a slow process, but it works. As you can see, that pin's getting a little shorter each time. And the pin's almost all the way down in there now. And it is almost flush. I'm going to give it one more little click. One more. And that should have it. I'm going to tap it one last time. And there it is. Now I'll slide my handle to where the rod goes all the way back down inside. Oops. And sometimes you'll have to put your key in the bottom of the handle here to hold the rod to get it to line back up so it don't turn. And it slides flush back up in there. As you can see, if you see right there, there's a little that little brass bushing. It should just barely stick up past the end of your outside casing there, just a little bit. And then, like I say, all that fits back together. Just screw your head back on there, which is it screws counterclockwise to tighten, of course. And as you screw that back on there, you got to make sure that you turn the shaft in there so that the gears line up as it tightens up. And of course, I'm gonna grab a hold of the handle here again. Now that I got it all tightened up, and just finish tightening this down. You ain't gotta just bear down on it, just a good snug fit. And whenever you get it like that, everything in there should still turn. I hadn't replaced the gear in the head yet. That's what I'm fixing to do now. I'm going to adjust my adjustable wrench down. Break that loose right here, counterclockwise. Unscrew it. That is the gear and the old bushing right there. And it has a little play in it sideways right there. It's just starting to wear out a little. I'll get my new gear out of the package. Good. New gear out. Slide it down inside the head there. Get the new bushing out. And screw the bushing back down in there counterclockwise. Again, take your T-wrench, put it in the end, make sure that gear is meshed up and they're both turning before you tighten everything down. And that's it. I mean, that's all there is to it. You turn it, make sure it turns good, nothing locking up, nothing grabbing, and then grease it. All there is to it. Real simple. your apple core or whatever back on.